He says, I'm good. I'm good. Ask me. I eat my papers. I don't like papers over here. Come on, Mom. Flynn, shut up. He says, okay. My papers, I'm going to dig them up. There could be squirrelies out there. I don't like squirrels. There's Joey. What's Alligator doing? What's little Mr. Alligator doing? Huh? He says, you got that thing there. I don't like that thing. It says Mags. Maggie. Got a nice little bark, doesn't he? He doesn't really bark often. He says, I love you, Maggie. I do. Can I eat you? I'll bite you. You want to go in his room with him? He could play with you? And you're stuck with him? Because I don't think so. Not me. What, Meg? No. Not right now.